This is the easiest way I know of reducing back pain when it comes to your breathing. Breathing and the back are hand in hand. Believe it or not, a lot of times when people have pain in their body, the first thing that goes is their inability to take nice deep breaths. Why? Because they're bracing from all the pain they have from their back or their spine. So what ends up happening over time is as you have pain and pain continues on, your breathing becomes compromised because you're not using the muscles in your rib cage as well. When breathing gets compromised, you're not taking deeper breaths, you're not getting as much oxygen in, and during times of stress and during times of pain, it even gets worse. So people sometimes complain about fatigue and being tired and feel like they have low energy and not knowing why. Well, part of the reason why is because the pain in their back is actually limiting their ability to take deep breaths or breathe normally, and you can then find that those same people ultimately have shorter breaths per minute. Meaning that when the breath is done, it's like a little bit more of a hyperventilation or a quicker breath. And when they're doing that, they're not taking deep breaths in. Remember, you're breathing in your lungs or in your ribs here, right in the middle of your body. So as these muscles around your body are very closely attached to your spine and your lower back, if they're tight from pain and your rib muscles, which are up here, are tight from you not breathing well, over time, both tightnesses in your ribs and your lower backs ultimately lead to a very stiff spine. And when your spine becomes stiffer and stiffer over time, you end up having more discomfort and limitations in other places. So now I'm going to show you a basic exercise to address this issue. All right, so to do this exercise, you need a TheraBall. And the first exercise I'm going to show you is not the best exercise for anybody who has any pain or discomfort in this area of the neck. So I wouldn't do it. I'll show you an alternative to that. But if you have a TheraBall at home, or you can get one of these at a local sporting good or on Amazon, you just lay the ball and you're sitting next to it. It's almost kind of like you're sitting at home on TV, watching TV rather, and you're trying to stretch out your back. So you have your spine here on your side is what you're looking to stretch. And as you lean forward on this ball, you're gonna get a pulling sensation through the side of your body right here. And as you're doing this, all you have to do is take nice breaths in from your nose, like we did before, and expand your diaphragm by breathing in. As you breathe in, your stomach goes out, and then it comes back. So here we go. And as you notice, as I'm doing it, I'm expanding more of my stretch with every exhale. So the idea is as you breathe into this and your stomach comes out, you're now also going to be exhaling through your nose or through your mouth, and you get a better stretch. And I got my hands pretty much wrapped on the ball. So I'm protecting and bracing myself against the ball. If you really feel comfortable with the ball going this way or this way, you could do it against the wall. But as I'm doing that and breathing, I'm getting a stretch right through the side of my rib cage here. And of course, this is going to identify just this area of your back, which is the left side on me. You can do it this way, and you can just continue to do a bunch of these different stretches. Now, if you feel like not breathing and you just want to lean on the ball and just continue to stretch, you can just lean on the ball and stretch this way too. You'll feel it right through here. Now, you're not going to feel this necessarily directly in your lower back, but remember, we're trying to improve the breathing muscles to support your lower back, and that's the purpose of this exercise. Now, if for some reason you don't want to lay this way, another simple way of doing it, it causes you to twist your spine a little bit, but if you feel comfortable doing so, you can just lean on the ball like this and stretch. Now, what will happen in this situation is because I'm twisting, my right side, which is right here, is going to stretch more. I'm not going to get as much on the left side, but more on the right side. And the same thing goes here. You breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth, nice and easy. Doesn't have to be a few seconds. It doesn't have to be anything but just slow and controlled. So you do that a few times. And a simple way of doing this, of course, is doing the other side. So you just turn the ball onto the other side, and you're gonna do it on this side the same exact way to get both sides equally stretched. You wanna do both sides equally, and you wanna make sure that you have no discomfort or pain in any of the movements. If you start to twist or lean and you feel a little pain, don't do it. It's better not to do that and not to encourage more discomfort while you're trying to do an exercise to help you with your breathing and help you with your spine mobility and help you get more of a better mechanism of movement in your lower back and your upper spine, or your mid-spine rather, which is your rib cage. All right, in summary, this is one of my #1 go-to exercises for people to help improve their breathing, improve their spine, get them going again, because it's simple. It can be done with a ball, and even if you want to pop a couple of pillows on a couch, you can do it that way. It's very functional and easy to do. And if you can't do it, and one way, you could always have an alternative way of doing it, but you get the idea that the breathing and the movement and the slowness is vital to doing this exercise. My name is Dr. Vinod, and I appreciate you listening to this video. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more videos, and I'll see you next time.